Yo, we're back with another reaction. Episode 6 of Chainsaw Man. Let's get into it!
Oh no, 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 no.
Damn, bro, nervous ass.
Hey, Kobeni, put up double peace signs and stay right there.
What?
To make sure that it's still her.
How is that so random?
You're
That makes
shitting
sense.
me.
Scary ass.
What do you think? Got any clue, Aki?
It's kind of like a fucking domain expansion. You know what I'm talking about? Like in I think Jujutsu Kaisen when they're in like a prison,
Yeah.
there's like a room, but not really.
Hey guys,
They didn't know how to get
the
out. and
windows
shit.
are a total bust. All of them lead to the room across the hall.
Apparently so. We're stuck. Trapped on the 8th floor.
Okay, but if HQ doesn't hear from
I
us
was,
in a while, won't they send other devil hunters
I
as
was
a type of
editing,
search
and I
party?
noticed that she said that to get her like double
Cross all
contract,
your
I think she had
fingers
to
and
give up
toes
like
and hope
her
they don't find
eye
themselves in
and
the
then
same
something with her
predicament as
arm or
us.
something.
Yeah.
I wonder what Aki had to give
Since
up
they can't get
for like
in,
that dog
we can't
shit.
get out. Everybody here is gonna die. We'll
Or
slowly
maybe
starve
doesn't
to
an eye
death.
patch?
Stay strong, okay? Happy thoughts.
I think
Living as a devil
he'll
hunter to put your
like
brother
his soul or
through
some
school,
shit.
don't you?
Oh really?
I think so.
Yeah, I missed it. Yeah, I just
I
noticed that when she said it.
So his education is all that
It was something like obscure. It wasn't like fucking like physical. I don't think.
It was either become a devil hunter or a sex worker.
Yeah, okay. He's fucked up.
Stop laughing! This isn't funny!
Kobeni, sweetheart. Fear is a devil's favorite food.
It's possible time on the 8th floor has been frozen by a devil's power. And if that's the case, we won't be receiving any
I
help.
should just OP as fuck.
I mean, it ate one of the
No
Gun
shit.
Devil shit.
Yeah.
We can sleep all we want now.
Are you
Exactly how
I
stupid
can't
are
imagine
you?
how
Do you not get the
he...
gravity?
Yeah, if it's fucking more powerful than this shit,
Trapped
it's
in
crazy.
here
It
forever.
literally, again, reminds me
Gravity
of
gotta
fucking
do with
Jujutsu
it.
Kaisen.
No one knows anything
Cause
for
like the-
sure. You do
What,
wake
I don't
me
know
up.
what the fucking are.
It's
The
dope as
curses
hell.
who ate Sukuna's fingers and shit.
Yeah, you're strong.
Appreciate this devil and having nap.
Don't lie. Everyone's pretty much at their wits' end. Aki's grit has him
She
searching
didn't
for the
fucking have a
devil
hand.
non-stop. I told him to take a break, but I might as well have lectured a wall. Arai was helping Aki at first, but then got hit by a panic attack.
Arai?
Now he's bundled up and shut down in another room. Kobeni freaks to the point of trying to drink from a toilet bowl, so I knocked her out.
Oh.
And of
Fucking
course,
weird.
the fiend you brought with you.
They're fucking trained
Okay,
people.
did something happen?
I'm thinking of ways to win the Nobel Prize in order to battle my boredom. For once I have earned such glorious.
Bummer. Down to my last cig.
I'm quite disappointed by your calm demeanor.
I'd be much more uptight if Aki weren't on the case. Though there's one other factor for my stress-free mood. The power of nicotine. Gotta take the edge off somehow.
Oh boy, you got that nig.
A good addiction is about
Hey,
the
yummy,
only
yummy.
thing you can depend on in life.
You smoke the same brand that he does.
Of course he has these cigarettes. The one who taught him to savor the flavor was me.
I snuck up to the girl who hit you and stuck gum on her clothes.
Yay.
You
Briswood.
shouldn't just
Boy,
take
you're
crap
so
like that.
like
And don't feel guilty either.
such a nice guy.
I was pissed. So I set out for some payback. It
So
serves
does
her
she
right.
like him
She's gonna
and
waltz around
he
all
likes
day, oblivious that there's gum.
Makima? And Makima is playing Denji. And Denji likes Makima.
Pokemon's playing them both.
I guess, yeah, you're right, because she's...
You reminded
I
me
mean,
of
nah, she
something
doesn't
my
do anything
master
like
always
fucking
says.
sexual
The kind
to
of
her.
hunter a
But
devil
she-
fears
I guess
most
it's
of all.
different, yeah.
Doesn't have to be
Different
strong or
relationship.
even brave for
Fucking
him.
knows
There's
Denji
mo-
needs the
They're the
horny
ones
and
with the
shit.
screws loose and no screwdrivers. Which is why I believe you
I
when
don't
you
know.
say you won't
Okay,
die.
there's something off about Makima. She seems like... I know they're trying to take out demons and shit. All
And
this
more
is evil.
importantly, if you aren't gonna eat your almond
Yeah.
tofu, then I'm taking. This is the first and last cigarette I'll ever light up. Could really go for a smoke. Please tell me you have some.
I'm sorry. This is the last one I've got.
Oh yeah?
So
Then
didn't
I
she have
get
a
the
whole
rest.
pack just now?
You fucking smoking.
Well, if you insist, you add it.
Cheater! You got an indirect kiss for free!
I've got
Take
some
a puff
bad
then.
news.
And he's
The
kissing
freak
the
of
dude.
nature that we killed.
You mean the freak of nature that I killed?
Well, it got bigger.
Freak is.
He
A
got
lot
bigger?
Bigger.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? That looks disgusting.
Oh,
yeah,
damn.
What
is going on?
It traps us in a hotel.
Both of us try to feed him.
No, it's that dude.
Oh, it's,
Oh, what the fuck?
it looked like a dude.
Yeah, it looks like a big ass fucking body. Oh, she's going crazy. Trip.
Oh, damn.
I thought she was gonna be OP.
She plays one of those characters that fucking just cry like
The dude from Blue Lock does that and he's fucking OP, so.
You're
That's exactly what it
obnoxious.
reminded me
All right,
of.
Aki, swallow it with your fox devil and let's put an end to this.
Oh.
Fine, my ghost can handle this.
Fuck, Data?
What the fuck?
Damn. Oh, shit.
That shit's... Oh, imagine seeing that shit actually in real life.
You're done for, bro.
They can't even run away, right? I mean,
No,
like,
I'm
if
bored.
they hide in a room, they're just gonna pop up to the same spot.
I'm practically invulnerable on the 8th floor. You have to make a contract with me if you want
It's very selective with such words because of how much sway they hold.
They're gonna eat Denji, and then Denji's
One
gonna
party
fuck
makes good on the
chainsaw
deal.
inside.
The other has no choice but to honor it or else they'll perish. It's not just shooting off its many mouths. We could murder you right now and leave less than a minute later.
We should kill him. Don't you think, Miss Himeno?
We only kill devils.
Shall we wrestle to cure our boredom?
I'm not wrestling the
So we
captain
almost
if
killed
he
devil, so
killed
is he
Denji.
like calling Denji not a devil? You know what I mean?
I think full devils. Because then
'Cause-
it's half human then.
Yeah, but before motherfucker like hating on
You
him,
have the
even
vaguest
just because he
idea
was
for a
half devil.
plan to actually get us out of here, Aki?
But you can't kill him
Devil
because
told us his
he
accurate.
was ordered not to.
Yeah, nothing told him not to. He would have fucking
Denji
killed him.
isn't dying either.
So the plan's to sit around and
I
starve?
mean, he has the order to kill him if he were to run away or not follow
Use
orders.
the sword should worse really come to worst.
Like hell you will.
If a couple swipes from your sword can fix this, then use it. Am I right?
You just ate everything. Gobbled it all up in one go.
'Twas not me. It's Denji's doing.
Why tell me a lie that's so obvious?
She's funny as fuck.
I get it. I understand now. The fiend! Her ability is keeping us on the 8th floor! Right? That just has to be why!
What is wrong
Holy
with
Doesn't
it?
make any
shit.
sense. This is the blood fiend, so calm down.
Man, that shit look crazy, bro. Like the slow motion. But still making it seem like. Yeah, that shit looks
So good. Is this CGI? No, right?
the monster. Yeah. Oh, that shit looks good. Like right there is not. Right there it is, right?
I don't even know.
Or just like fucking texture.
If they got that contract, that'd be OP as fuck.
Nah, I think the contract was just to let them out.
Like if they had like a contract.
Oh, I thought she was about to get crushed by the bed.
This is
The devil said that they're in his stomach.
I'm using the sword.
Oh,
Are you okay with
why
that,
not?
Himeno?
Now I need to know
Whoa,
what
not
the fuck happened
cool!
with that sword.
What's the deal here, lady?
Right to his
It's
life.
very
It's probably a
handy,
contract.
yes,
Maybe
we
that's his
probably could
contract.
escape if he used its power.
Nah, right?
But it
That was
cuts
it.
Aki's lifespan.
Oh, wait,
Every
wait,
use
wait,
shaped
wait.
as
They're
we
explaining
probably-
it.
Whoa, not cool! What's the deal here, lady?
The sword is very handy, and yes, we probably could escape if he used its power. But it cuts Aki's lifespan. Every use shaves off a huge chunk of it.
These people are funny as fuck.
She's about to fall. Oh,
Oh shit.
damn.
Oh my god, what a here. Stupid ass.
That big ass knife.
Fucking butcher knife.
He is leaking.
Oh, he's dead now for sure. You can't even use that shit.
Maybe
His sword.
a good stab. Or two. Power! Since you're the blood fiend, can you keep him from bleeding out?
I have total control over my own blood, not the blood of others.
She can just come
Yeah,
be weird,
you're
cover
the hoe.
herself,
Yeah.
and then put it on his shit.
Oh, that's smart.
What do we
Oh,
do?
wait, you doing it?
What do we do
And then
now?
harden it.
Hockey, please tell me. What do we do?
It's not my fault, okay?
It is.
None of this would have happened if it weren't for him!
Yes, it's snack o'clock.
She was happy as
I ain't
hell.
about to slide down its throat without a fight. So if I manage to take out this king-sized fuckface, I better still get my kiss. You
True.
promised that'd be the reward. We're even Steven the second you're out of here.
Oh yeah, close. Close to the man.
That's spicy,
Where the fuck is he going? Damn, bro.
How's it?
Damn.
Another good episode, per usual, as expected.
That shit was so
Per
fucking
usual,
cool.
he says per usual.
True. He said it last night too. That shit
It
was
was like the
cool
fourth
as
time
fuck.
he's said it.
The fucking room shit, that was cool as fuck. I like the concept of that. And already fucking first, devil we see, it's eating a bullet and it's OP as fuck. I wonder if
Well,
you like.
it didn't even know that one's it, because the bullet didn't move yet.
True.
So I don't even
There's no way that shit's not the one.
Yeah.
There's no way that's not the one. I guess, yeah, you're right. Because, I mean, at first it was just that tiny head, right? They said it was the same thing.
Yeah.
And they didn't detect it from that tiny head.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they would have made it a point to make sure that was it. Like, the fucking thing would have been you know what I mean?
Yeah, but then the reason I said that is because I was confused. Because Denji said if I kill it, then, what's your face? I don't know her
The
name.
kiss.
Yeah, would kiss him.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure they're just assuming it's it.
Yeah, because that's a good point. Like, now that I think about it, it does make more sense because that shit didn't move. So, there's no way that shit's not OP. If the other shit's more OP, whatever it is, that is nuts. That is nuts because that one's already OP. That's kind of cool though. It's like, you know how you said that how they said that devils are created because of people's fears or whatever.
Yeah.
It's like eternity as a fear. That's just kind of cool.
All living forever.
Yeah.
That's a decent concept.
What y'all think about the episode?
Like the fucking how the use of the room. Like they're fucking stuck in a loop. That shit's fire.
You said it was a
That's
stomach,
one.
right? You said it was the devil's stomach.
I think so.
Oh yeah, because I heard that too. I'm pretty sure, but
Because remember when they zoomed out, was
I don't know if you could actually heard it though, like, by just hitting like the walls or destroying the rooms. Like that would hurt it because they're technically inside it, but I don't know. I have no idea. That was just a thought that I had during it.
Nah,
But they didn't think
there was
about
a
it.
point in the scene where she started going crazy with the power and partner. As soon as they started yelling, the fever got bigger, and that's why the thing got bigger. That's why I started attacking them again.
The what got bigger?
The little monster thing,
Oh,
the devil. It started getting bigger as soon as they started getting more worried
but why though?
because the fear.
Oh, maybe.
They gained fear of it, so
So
got
it
more
gets
powerful.
stronger?
Yeah.
Rule.
Isn't this the same concept as in another show? Like how they feed off fear.
Jujutsu Kaisen.
Oh, is it?
I'm pretty sure like the curses
Oh
are
yeah.
conjured based off fears, or like the more fear there is in the world, the more curses.
I think in Demon
Okay.
Slayer they have the same. There's like a demon that's the same concept. I think so. I'm not sure though. But I feel like there's another show. Probably is Jujutsu Kaisen.
Inuit's reuse is still good. They're still using it a good way here.
Yeah, I wonder how cause that shit was like twisting and shit. The room,
Oh,
I don't know.
what's
they
his
had,
stomach? I'm
full
pretty sure
control
it's
of
just
it. Yeah.
That'll be it for today's episode. See you on the next one.